Protective shields cover the top and underside of the hand to protect fingers when sliding. Elastic compression strap secures and supports wrist. Adjustable for quick on and off. Thumb hole for the ability to keep your thumb out, or tuck it in. Choose LH for left hand and RH for right hand. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. 13-year-old baseball team, one boy got a sliding mitt and it works so well that all of the boys on the team were using his mitt. My grandson is a very, shall I say, compassionate player and he frequently slides into base. This mitt keeps his hands and fingers safe. No more jammed fingers or thumbs. I can't say enough good things about this mitt and I would definitely buy it again. Quality is good also.